Hello friends, it's Mrs. Ringme and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you um, about how to apply to FH University of Applied Science Wales campus of Austria for International Foundation Program or for any program. So let's go to the website. This is the URL. You can type it and visit this official website. So go to the right side of this three icon, click on this and go to international, then degree seeking students. Then here is you can found international foundation program. Well, this page will appear, and here the international foundation program, click on that. Now this is the page, and now you can see here application. So click on this application, and this is the portal. So if you are new, then just click on this new registration. uh, Enter your details like email id, name, phone number, your country of residence. So these types of information once you put, and then you can easily create a new account. I have already created that account. So you can see here, the date is 01/10/2026, and oh, application for academic year can be made from 01/10/2026. It is wrong, I think. And this portal opens today, uh, because so let's put the passport. Okay, once you put the passport, login. So this portal will open. Before October 1, this portal was closed because the application period is between starts from October and ends to, I think, April or around April. So like let's remove them first. Okay, once you log in, you will see this portal. You can see lots of program are there. You know, there are lots of program because it opens to October 1 application, and you can see your deadline is 31 May. And for international foundation for electrical engineering, which is available in English, the deadline is 31 May, means from October 1 to 31 May you can apply. And let's see, for here you can also choose bachelor degree or international foundation program. So I am applying for international foundation program, full-time course, English, and for Wales campus. So uh, international foundation program, it is a certificate program. So once you complete this program, you can enroll in any bachelor course available at FH Upper Austria. So I'm here. Now you can see international foundation program, and you may apply for up to 2 degree program by selecting the corresponding button. So you can say two programs. Suppose I will not be selected. Okay, suppose FH do not select me for this program. So I choose another program. Like student is already full in this program, then they will uh, see my documents for this course. So let's select electrical engineering. My English is quite bad, so don't take it negative because I'm from Nepal and my mother language is Nepali. I might I can make this video in Nepali, but um, I am making this in English because many people can mm, get idea about the application process. So once you click the program in what you are interested in, and here when applying for disability payment, you must have completed at least the second description. If your school Education is equivalent to Austrian standard by law. Recommendation, please note, are mandatory and must be filled. Changing system will immediately lead to change in other forms. So, university entrance qualification country. I'm from Nepal. So, choose your country and types of degree means secondary school living certificate. Senior high school or vocational school name. Gurukul ACADEMI Gurukul Academy. Okay, what is my okay, once you choose your degree program, and then you will reach out to entry requirement section, and here in country you have to enter your home country where you have completed your high school or bachelor degree, and here the type of degree that you have completed recently. I have completed secondary school living certificate, and my school name was Gurukul Academy Secondary School Dan, and your school address and the subjects you have taken during your high school or bachelor level. I have taken English, math, physics, computer, chemistry, Nepali in my high school, and the year of completion. In what date you completed your high school or bachelor degree, and if you have already started or completed a degree means if you are studying bachelor degree or you have already completed a degree, then this section is for you. And then once you fill out this information, click next. Okay, then you will reach out to documentation. uh, Let me check, I am recording or not. Okay, the video is recording. And once you reach out this documentation, then you have, this is the main page where you have to upload all your documents. First of all, your image here, you have to upload your clear image. Click on the upload button, then you will then your my PC will open and choose your recent photo. And in high school secondary school living certificate, you have to upload your both front and back page of certificate which proves that you have completed your high school. Which means in Nepal it is a migrational certificate, transfer and character certificate from um, my school means from my high school. And another is provisional certificate. It is also given by the government in Nepal. So I have more three documents with their front and back page, and I have uploaded the document here. And you can use JPG to PDF website to merge the document. And in transcript of record for the last 2 years of high school secondary school level education, here I have uploaded the transcript, which means grade sheet of grade 11 and 12, both front and back side of that transcript. Here you have to upload your uh, in higher secondary school living certificate. You have to upload the document that proves that you have completed your high school. And in transcript of records, here you have to upload your like that document which includes the subjects, your score, you understand transcript, and language certificate. Here you have to upload your IELTS, or if you have done any German course like A1, A2, B1, B2, then you can upload that certificate here. I haven't done any of them, so I'm uploading IELTS. And here English certificate B2, here you have to mandatory upload your uh, English certificate B2 level, which is accepted by FH Upper Austria. I think IELTS is accepted. I don't know about TOEFL, Duolingo. And here I have uploaded my passport. And here is motivation letter. This is like SOP. And in motivation letter you have to uh, include that what is your future plans, what is your goal, why you want to study in Austria, why FH, why this course, like that. And here CV, and this is application questionnaire. You can just you will see here download, then you can download the document and open that document. And this document look like this. Okay. Okay, you can read it. We invite you to browse the, so these are the information that FH Upper Austria campus team is collecting from you. So these are the general questions about Austria. You can search in Google if you don't know any of them. These are a very simple question. Okay. Okay, then you can upload your bachelor degree if you have completed. If not, if you have any internship or if you have any like certificate of merit or letter of recommendation, it is also okay. Then we have completed personal data, degree program, entry requirement, documentation, statistical data. Now summary. Click next. Okay, let's see personal data, gender, first name Cecil, last name Regmi, citizenship Nepal, country of birth, date of birth 2006, Kurai, state Kurai, Dui, Saipur Domnenge toll address, Kurai, state Nepal, 984, um, okay, degree program, International Foundation Force, full time, and entry requirement, University Secondary School, Group 15, Dang, Kurai, subject taken English, Math, Control, rated by documentation. Okay, here are the additional documents, curriculum vitae uploaded, transcript, record for the last 2 years uploaded. The information you are providing is necessary to process the application, and it will be these are contacting you during the application. Okay. Also, as a part of your provision, this data transfer into your student file in the process. The third part is our newsletter will be sent to the email address you submit in order to keep your do not reach this needed. You can just reply to the email or link with the word answer. This will delete your email address from our distribution list. If further information is data please visit. Okay, then let's send the application. Okay, send application. Click this icon. Okay, I have applied for these two programs.